Hello there, my friends. So today I'm going to show you how to figure out how much memory you have left on your Samsung, on your Android phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, but this will work on just about any Android system. So what you want to do is you want to go to settings. So how do I find settings? I'm going to swipe up and it's this little gear shaped thing right here. That's it. So we're going to press that. And now in settings, I'm going to page down and I'm going to go to device care right here. Because that says battery, storage, memory. And we want to look at the memory and see how much we have. So press that. And now it says checking. And it says something about closing background apps and run checks. So that's there. And then we also want to see our storage. So we go here to storage. And here's how much storage we have left, right? So that's what we want to see. Now we can hit optimize now. If we hit optimize now, it'll take care of this background stuff. And that's nice. That'll speed up our phone a little bit. So hit done. That's always a good thing to do. Now the other thing I can do is I can hit storage and it'll tell me where the storage is being used, right? So it looks like most of it is video because we got 25.9 gigabytes of video. Video takes up a lot of space. Images, not so much, right? Documents, nearly nothing. And audio is also very low. So, and the apps, they take up space. But also, if you happen to have an SD card, which this Galaxy Note 9 does have, and that's one of the reasons I still use it, because I can swap out the SD card, you can see where its storage is, and you can see I have a lot of storage left on the SD card. All right. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope this answered your question. If it was any value at all, please smash like, and I'll see you on the next one.